Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields.
Oh my gosh, guys, check this out. So this afternoon, I'm going to be taking you through an absolute stunner. This is a custom Carolina Stanley. It's here in Burlington, North Carolina. The Carolina Stanley consists of 2,405 square feet. This particular video today will be 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a living room, and a den. I mention it on almost every video, but this particular layout is going to consist of an optional front porch. You have all the control over the style, the size, all that stuff. Today you're seeing a great big 8x30 gable style front porch. Notice this customer went with no pickets, the full foundation under the front porch, meaning you cannot roll a ball under there. Check out that vertical siding up there in the gable. They did add the row of shingles, the eave return there. They also did a exterior light on each side of the door. As you can see, one ceiling fan is already up, but they have prepped it for 2 ceiling fans there. So just little things like that that you definitely want to kind of remember as we're designing this thing. Before we go inside, I do want to show you all the concrete work. This is kind of rare that you guys get to see this. I guess it's just a testament to, you know, you can really take this stuff as far as you want to with sidewalks and pads and, you know, porches and decks and all that stuff, obviously. So let's get back here. I want to show you this sidewalk actually connects to this back pad, which is then tied into the house with little stoops there at each door. Really nice stuff there. That one's a little bit bigger for the double door, obviously. But yeah, so this is a 76-foot plan, 76 foot across, 32 feet deep. 2,405 square feet in total. You can add the optional upstairs, unfinished second level, or what have you there. So we're going to get in here and take a look. All right, so notice they kind of mimicked our Logan model with the double side lights on each side. Beautiful there for the natural sunlight to get in. So as you open the door, just like our model there in Burlington, you are greeted by just a gigantic living area. You do have a true little foyer area there with a designated coat closet, which is always handy. Let me show you that real quick. It just makes a statement. This main space is, you can really feel that 2,400 square feet here in this main area. Very large kitchen, good sized dining there. I want you to notice the light fixtures today. This customer brought in their own light fixtures in a number of different areas, so check that out. Very, very nice kitchen. I'm gonna call it top 2 or 3 kitchens that we offer, maybe number 1, just if you're basing it on countertop space, cabinet space. Big pantry cabinet here. Now in our model, we show a wall oven and a wall microwave here, kind of an appliance cabinet. They obviously took that out and did more of a pantry cabinet for more storage. The under cabinet transoms, we do offer them above the cabinet as well. Beautiful, kind of that light blue backsplash tying in the blue countertops and all that good stuff. That is the included range hood. There are 2 to choose from at no cost. Let's check out this pantry. Really good sized pantry. There's your appliance shelf, $150 option to have an outlet and a little shelf there for air fryers or whatever. So just an incredible main space. It really is. It just makes a statement. When you walk our model in Burlington, you'll know what I'm talking about. It just, such a great floor plan. Over here outside of the utility room, you do have, in our model, this is a storage closet here. This is where they put their water heater. You could go tankless or put it under the house or whatever, but Just keep that in mind. And then here's that awesome utility room. One thing I want to point out in here, as you can see, we prepped it for the customer to do their own utility room sink, okay? The shelving system there over the future washer and dryer is included. And then if you want a fold-out attic or a fold-out staircase to your attic, you need to let me know. The scuttle hole is what is included, but if you want this fold-out ladder, we need to know that so we can add it. Now to the master suite. This room is huge. Absolutely huge. Double door to the master bath, which we'll get to. One of my favorite things about this particular video today will be in there. I do want to point out the recessed TV boxes. Just kind of thinking ahead, you know, along with the front porch options, just, you know, being able to put that TV flush against the wall like that. Just things to, you know, make it look clean and nice. Now, as you can see, this customer did their own shelving systems in here, okay? So they said, hey, Shields, we want to come in and do custom shelving. I said, great. I'll get you a credit for what was supposed to be in there. You can put your husband to work on the weekends, and you can do whatever you'd like, okay? And now to the master bath. This thing is a absolute stunner. So the double door, first of all. Got the double sink. Now notice the cultured marble. This is a little more affordable than granite or quartz, but more expensive than Formica. Just kind of a man-made marble that's only optional in bathrooms. I love the big 5-foot transom window over the vanities. We're selling a lot of those right now. Again, more natural light. Can't beat that. And then you've got your standalone tub. Now check this out, guys. Boom. So this customer came in, like I said, and did a lot of their own custom light fixtures. This one is absolutely beautiful. Got the big window there for, again, more natural light, the beautiful light fixture. And then on top of that, you've got the big boy 4x8 shower. So this is the largest of the 3 shower options. The only thing I can see off the top of my head that they added would be the soapbox. That is additional. The other items that you are seeing would be included. The can light, the rain head, the wand. You can run the tile to the ceiling, add heads, add additional soap boxes, what have you. So let's cross over this main space and check out the guest side of the house, guest suite side of the house. All right, now on our model, we show French barn doors. Today you're seeing French pocket doors. Some people just kind of leave it as a cased opening. So that's something you want to think about if this is still going to be used as a secondary den. Now really this whole wing is really adjustable, designed by you. More bedrooms, bigger bedrooms, less bedrooms, bigger den, whatever. As you can see, they kind of went with our model in Burlington with the secondary family space. Again, you got that recessed TV box. They're going to mount that TV there. Very cozy secondary living room, den area. On to the bedrooms. This is bedroom 4. Again, beautiful custom light fixture. Nice size closet. Bath 2 will be on my right. Big thing to point out here is the double sink. Not all bath 2s are going to be able to fit that double sink. But if that's something you want to try to work in, get with me and we can try to figure it out. So bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. I think it's the only one without a custom light fixture. Nationwide's included 2-panel doors, included hardware. I'm assuming you know at this point the bedrooms are going to start you with carpet. All the Nationwide homes come with wire and bracing in every bedroom as well. Standard are included, of course. You do need to add flooring to this den. This den does start with carpet. I would say in general, those secondary dens or family rooms start with carpet, and then you can option the flooring, of course. So again, guys, this was another Carolina Stanley, 2,405. Beautiful front porch. I mean, beautiful everything. Light fixtures, countertops. I mean, I love everything about this house, all the concrete work. Truly unique. I could not wait to get out here and record this. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any questions, comment, get with me. All my information is down there in the bottom. Thank you guys. Take care.